This is the topic 4, we will learn about the use of measuring instruments. Accuracy, consistency, sensitivity, and errors. During a measuring act, an appropriate measuring instrument, and use it in the correct way is necessary to get a consistent and accurate reading. What is the consistency and accuracy? There are three important capabilities of a measurement system. The first is consistency. The second is accuracy. The third is sensitivity. We first talk about the consistency. Consistency is how well a measurement tool to come out the same reading when the measurement to the same object is conducted repeatedly. Here is an example. An archer perform the shooting to the arrow target repeatedly. If the arrows can shot to about the same location on the target, we say the archer is high consistency. Same to a measurement system. For example, if we repeatedly perform a measurement of a length, by using a ruler, let's say, 5 times, and we able to get the about the same value, through the 5 measurement, we can say, it is good in consistency. If the reading, from one to another have a big variation, we can say it is inconsistent. Another example about the consistency is, the classroom, there are 2 students who going to take same mathematics exam every month. In January, Jason gains 75% mark, and Jackie gains 85% mark. In February exam, Jason gains 95% mark, and Jackie gains 84% mark. In March exam, Jason gains 80% mark, and Jackie gains 85%. In April exam, Jason gains 82% mark, and Jackie gains 84%. In May exam, Jason gains 100% mark, and Jackie gains 85%. Throughout the 5 months exam, we can say that Jackie is more consistent in the math exam, as Jackie able to repeatedly come out the same result at 84% to 85%. The second important capability for a measurement system is accuracy. Accuracy is how close the measured value to the actual value or target value of a physical quantity. Here is an example. An archer perform the shooting to an arrow target repeatedly. Since the target of the shooting is the center of the target board, the more the arrow shoot at the point closer to the center, we can say that it is accurate. For a measurement system, let's say, we have an object with known length. Let's say, it is 5 centimeters. If we repeatedly perform the measurement for 5 times, and we able to get 5 centimeters for each time we do the measurement, we can say that the measurement system is accurate and consistent. Please take note, as all the reading from the 5 measurement are about the same, we also can say that it is consistent to produce the same value too. If the value we get is 6 cm all the 5 measurement, it will be inaccurate. But, please take note here, the system able to reproduce the same value, we can say it is a consistent measurement system. Let's use the example of the math exam again. Since the exam target is 100% mark, by taking the average of 5 exams, Jason has 88% mark, and Jackie has 84.6% mark. Jason performance is closer to 100% mark. We can say that Jason is more accurate in math exam. The third capability of the measurement system is sensitivity. This is about how small the physical quantity can be measured. Here is an example. 2 archers, let's say archer A and archer B, are performing shooting, at which the target board are placed at position 1, where the position 1 is at a distance closer to the archers. The arrow from both archer A and archer B can reach the target board. But, when the target board was brought to position 2, which is farther from archer A and B, and only the arrow from archer A is capable to shot the target board, we can say archer A is more sensitive in archery compared with archer B. For measurement system. Ruler A, the smallest quantity for the measurement is 0.1 mm. Hence, the sensitivity of ruler A is 0.1 mm. For ruler B, the smallest quantity that is 0.5 mm. Hence, its sensitivity is 0.5 mm. For the ruler C, the smallest quantity that can be measured is 1 mm. Hence, its sensitivity is 1 mm. Since ruler A can measure the smallest quantity, 0.1 mm, we can say, ruler A is the most sensitive ruler, compared to the rest of the two. This is the new topic, using the right measuring instrument. Different physical quantity is measured, using different measuring instrument. The examples of physical quantity for measurement to be discussed here, is as following. They are, length, volume, mass, time, temperature, and electrical current. How these physical quantity act, or phenomena being measured by using a right instrument, will be detailed in the coming part of the lesson. We first talk about length. Length is defined as the distance between 2 points. These 2 points can be happened in any physical objects or places. The SI unit for physical quantity, length, is meter, with symbol m. About its application, cm and m is used to measure shorter distances. Km is used to measure the longer distances. Here is some example about the unit conversion, for the meter in SI unit, between different prefix. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 m. At which, k, kilo, is represent 1000. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. The example of measurement instrument are meter rule, and measuring tape. About volume. Volume is defined as the amount of space occupied by an object. The SI unit for volume is cubic meter, it is meter power of 3. Why it is a power of 3? Because the volume have occupied the space, which is formed from 3-dimension length, at which, they are perpendicular from each others. About its application. Cubic millimeter, cubic centimeter, millilittle, and little, are used to measure the volume of a liquid. For your knowledge, 1 cubic millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter in x direction, multiplied with 1 millimeter in y direction, multiplied with 1 millimeter in z direction. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter in x direction, multiplied with 1 centimeter in y direction, multiplied with 1 centimeter in z direction. The cubic is pointed to both the prefix and the unit. About the unit conversion, 1 cubic centimeter is equal value to 1 millilittle. 1 little is equal value to 1000 millilittle, or 1000 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is equal value to 1 million cubic meter, or 1 million millilittle. Measuring cylinder is the example of instrument used to measure volume of a liquid. This is about the mass of objects. Mass of an object is defined as the quantity of matter of the object. The SI unit for mass is kilogram, and denoted by symbol kg. For application, unit kilogram and gram are used to measure the mass of objects. This is about the unit conversion between the prefixes of the unit. 1 kilogram is equal value to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal value to 1000 milligram. Triple beam balance is the measurement instrument used to measure the mass of an object. This is about the physical quantity, time. The physical quantity, time, is the measured period between two moments. The SI unit for the time is second, and which denoted by symbol s. For application, the unit, seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years, are used for time measurement. This is about the unit conversion between the time units. 1 day is equal value to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal value to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal value to 60 seconds. Stopwatch is the example of measurement instrument used for time measurement. This is about the physical quantity, temperature. About the definition, temperature is the physical quantity used to measure of how hot an object is. The SI unit that used for temperature measurement is Kelvin. For application, Kelvin and Celsius are the units used to measure temperature of objects. For the unit conversion between Celsius and Kelvin, 1 degree Celsius equal value to 274.15 K. So 1 Kelvin equal value to 1 divided by 274.15 degrees Celsius. Thermometer are the instrument used to measure the temperature of an object. About physical quantity, electrical current. Electrical current is defined as the rate of flow of the charges through a conductor. When you see the word rate, it means it is related to time. Rate of flow meant to how many charges flow through a conductor from one to another. Within a certain time, it is 1 second. The SI unit for electrical current is ampere, and it is denoted by symbol A. Unit ampere and milliampere are used in the electrical current measurement. 1 ampere is equal value to 1000 milliampere. 1 milliampere is equal value to 0.001 ampere. Ammeter is the example of measurement instrument for the current.